What's the meaning of big game? Big game. Big game.
Big game. Big game. Big game typically refers to the hunting of large, often dangerous animals such as deer, elk, moose, and bear. In a broader sense, it can also refer to important or high-stakes sporting events or competitions, particularly in American football. The term big game often connotes excitement, adrenaline, and a sense of challenge, whether in the realm of hunting or sports. However, there are ethical concerns around big game hunting, as it can lead to endangerment of animal populations and create an unequal playing field for hunters. Despite these concerns, big game hunting and sports continue to be popular among enthusiasts around the world.